If you're planning to buy a table fan, then we have 5 of the best fans you can buy today in India. These range from all the top brands that you can think of, from Usha to Bajaj to Luminous to Havells to Orient. And all of these fans are in the range of 2000 rupees. Some of them are slightly below, some are slightly above. The most expensive is the Havells fan at about 2500. But there are Bajaj and Luminous are just a little under 2000, about 1900. All these fans are high quality, reliable and very popular. They have been purchased by hundreds and hundreds of customers and they have all rated them very highly. So they are reliable and good fans to purchase right now. If you are thinking about the benefits of a table fan, there are many. It is a personalized fan that you can take anywhere in the house and put it right in front of you so that you yourself are cooled or the people who are sitting around it. It is portable. You can choose the direction of the fan in any direction you want to put it. Also, it is very easy to operate and it also runs in the inverter if the electricity goes. It becomes your own personal fan that you can carry around anywhere and it will run no matter what the problem. And of course, it will run up no electricity bill because it is very low on electricity usage, power usage. So with that, let's go ahead and start looking at these 5 awesome table fans that you can buy in India today.